Oh, girls.
Whoops, that flew right out of my hand. That was delicious. I couldn't eat another
Sit.
bite.
Natalie, sit.
I gotta tell you, even though you eat raw fish and you like to listen to a piano being tuned,
Oscar, sit.
I find you awfully cute.
Sophia, cuter.